Well, we've all seen American Idol judge Randy Jackson sporting those stylish glasses. They're sort of his trademark, aren't they? But did you know they came from Nationwide Vision? They do. Joining me now is our sponsor, Jennifer Derryberry and Jackie Janik with eyewear to tell us a little bit more about the Randy Jackson collection and basically how he got involved in this eyewear. So welcome to the show.
Thank you.
How did he get involved with Nationwide Vision and having this eyewear collection?
Well, Randy's a musician, he's a producer, he's a record industry executive, but he's best known for his 10 seasons on American Idol. And he's the cool judge with a keen sense for talent and style. So he was a natural to partner with eyewear to create the Randy Jackson eyewear collection.
Well, we're taking a look at some of the pictures of him, and it's a bold look for sure.
Definitely.
You know he's wearing glasses.
Yeah, cool eyewear.
So let's talk a little bit about the colors that are in trend and that are kind of big in men's eyewear. Obviously, he's using the dark ones, Jackie, like the
dark
black.
classic plastics. Actually, there are several great trends for 2011 in men's eyewear, and the Randy Jackson collection has beautifully translated these into great bold plastic, vintage-inspired, the retro geek chic look with the big bold front and the nice thick temples.
Well, we're even noticing on the side that you're getting a little bit of extra pop of color that's kind of...
Correct. These dark olive greens, and also as well these spotted tort of what we call it. Ambers and dark chocolate browns mixing together to make this bold statement.
Now, why is this geek chic kind of lasting so long in this trend? Because we've seen it for a couple seasons now.
Absolutely. Excuse me. Basically because it makes a great bold statement and lets you shine your personality through. You want to get noticed, and this is noticeable eyewear.
So we noticed that the tortoise is a big color. We noticed that the green is a big color. The black, obviously classic, right? What other colors are we seeing as we head into the spring, the summer, and basically warmer months?
Actually, this two-toned effect. So we take the classic black and we incorporate it with different colors and styles, and even this nice clear translucent black striping, which is great. Also, I think I mentioned this spotty tort is great, and this blue effect. So we like to call this a fading, where we start out with one color and fade down to another. This one happens to be blue and black, or we can go with the dark chocolate to tan to an amber to brighten up the color on the face.
So the trends then are bold, geek chic, two-tone, tortoise. Am I missing anything?
Well, another great thing about Randy's collection is they're also sized to fit a bigger guy, which in the past...
Good point. He is a bigger guy.
Definitely. And in the past, they didn't have a lot of selection out there. It was boring styles, and you can definitely see with Randy on American Idol, he has so many cool styles. And so you can find that at Nationwide Vision. A lot of selection.
Well, and as we look at this picture right here, we're seeing that just because you're going with that bold style, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's all focused on the front of our face. You can have the, looks like the bold pop on the sides.
Absolutely. We've incorporated some nice temple details, whether metal plaque, striping, again with color.
Don't you think it's interesting that when you think about Randy Jackson, you think, that guy's probably buying some crazy expensive, super celebrity-only type of line.
High-end products.
Right? Wouldn't you think? Right. I mean, we're getting high-end products for a really reasonable price.
Absolutely.
If you go with Nationwide
Vision. They offer the best value and such a wide variety of assortment. As you can see, you can get a great plastic style, you can get a metal style with a great plastic temple. You can show off your personality in so many different ways.
And I think also another consistent theme that we're seeing not only in eyewear but really in fashion and jewelry is this vintage inspired. Celebrities seem to be really kind of latching on to that vintage inspired, and I think we're kind of seeing that emulated here in these glasses as well, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. Eyewear is just another accessory, and it can be just as bold as a tie, a watch, or even the iPad. you're carrying around. So might as well show what's first seen on everyone is your frames, is your eyewear. So it really truly says what kind of personality you have and want to show for the day. And they're great to transition into day wear and night wear. And I think men should start looking at their frames as an accessory.
Right.
And showing their personal style.
And I think I should start thinking about an iPad as an accessory. Who knew I was missing out? I was missing out. All right, Nationwide Vision has a special offer for you. If you mention Sonoran Living, you're going to get $20 off of your eyeglass exam. So to find the location nearest you, go to nationwidevision.com.